this is Prakhar from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Sumana Shetty with us, who has successfully been placed in Macron Technologies. So today we are going to be discussing with her that how she has basically managed to get into these companies and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in her journey. So let's get started.
Yeah, so I'm Sumana Shetty. I'm from Vikarabad, Telangana. I've done my schooling in Vikarabad itself, and I'm an IT undergraduate. I got placed in Micron Technology with a package of 10 LPA. Yeah.
Okay. And Sumana, what motivated you to pursue your current field of studies? Like, was it something that your parents basically put you into? Was it your inner call, or is it someone that you look up to in your family or friends that you wanted, like, by looking at them or by looking up to them, you basically decided, okay, this is something I want to pursue?
So I was not forced into this field. I was always fascinated while I was in schooling. I was just trying to I I would be just thinking how these applications would work and all. So it is just out of interest, but I didn't had any exact knowledge like how what I should do. But after completing my 10th, I just got to know that there will be like something called IT field, and then I just explored it. I just found out it from my siblings and all, so I just got in like this.
Okay. So can you share a bit about your educational background, from where you have started, from where you have done your SSC, and what was your intermediate was like, and what was that how did it felt like when you transitioned from your intermediate to college?
Okay, so I've done my schooling in St. Jude's High School from Vikarabad, and my intermediate from Sri Chaitanya, which is in Hyderabad. So you know how Sri Chaitanya works. It will be like we will be sitting for the whole day and we'll be studying like anything. So there was no creative thinking. There was no scope for innovation. We just have to keep studying. I don't say it is by harding. We will be understanding, but it is it is very tiring actually. That no student likes. But when it comes to graduation, we should be open-minded. We should be exploring things. That is a huge change to say. So I just handled it by exploring all the clubs. We had a good opportunity of joining different student clubs in our college. So that helped me to broaden my mind and to explore things more.
Okay. And were there any challenges or obstacles that you have faced, in your academic journey, personally or otherwise? So, and how did you overcome them?
Coming to my academics, as I was all active in the student clubs, and it was easy for me to manage. We used to get preparation holidays, and I was a regular student. So, but when it comes to DSA and all, we had a training program by Smart Interviews, which was introduced by my campus placement cell. So with that, I got exposure to Smart Interviews, and then I got to know that there is something called DSA, which is very important for us during the interviews, which will be asked during the interviews. So then I realized the importance of DSA. It was very late to say. I was not aware of it because we were in COVID batch. It was during COVID. Our first year was completely online, so we didn't had any chance to interact with our seniors. So Smart Interviews was introduced in second year. Since then, I started coding, and it helped me a lot. And I even worked as a mentor at Smart Interviews after my course was completed. And working as a mentor, I improved my communication skills, and I was able to widen my thinking towards DSA about solving the problems and all.
Okay. So, was there any specific event or a moment in your academic journey, like, or with Smart Interviews or otherwise, that has had a profound impact on you?
Yeah, so we had offline sessions. So he was very great at teaching. He always used to stress that it is not only that you will be learning it. It is not only about technical skills. Discipline is also very the most important part, which sets you on the right path. So that helped me most, because I used to, after listening to sir's instructions, after listening to sir, I just started practicing regularly, and that consistency helped me improve a lot.
Hmm. Like, nice. So, like, how was your learning experience with smart interviews?
Yeah, smart interviews was literally a life changer to me. uh, so when it was introduced, like, we had an exam of batch division and I got into smart interviews. I just we had offline sessions with smart interviews. So the way smart interviews taught us was completely unique and was very immersive. So first
Hmm.
sir is going to explain us, and after that we used to think about the brute force solution, and and we
Hmm.
would be given like a few minutes of time to discuss
Hmm.
within ourselves, like within our
Hmm.
peers. So that helped me improve myself, because peer learning is like, we will be thinking about different solutions. So after that, and again sir will be taking us through different levels of solutions. So that helped me build my thinking in the right way. So
Hmm.
and after that, we would be explained like 6 to 7 different ways of solutions. So
Hmm.
that helped me the most, because whenever I see a problem, uh, that all the previous explanations or the instructions or teachings which sir gave us helped me so much, because I understood how to think. It Smart interview
Hmm.
scores help me how to think, how to frame my solution, how to come like approach to optimize solution. It is not what we get once in a, like, one
Hmm.
shot. It is something we have to
Hmm.
build from brute force, optimize some parts of
Hmm.
the solution and do it.
Hmm. Like, better way to put it. How are your parents reacting to this? Like that you have been placed, and how are, like, are they happy with what you have achieved?
Yeah, they're very happy with listening to that I have been placed in Micron, uh, because I didn't had proper guidance, because nobody from my family are not in this field. So it was me
Hmm.
first. So they were very happy.
Yeah. Okay. So if I ask you to describe smart interviews in one word or a sentence, what would it be?
Definitely a life changer for me.
Okay. And if I ask you to recommend smart interviews to others, would you recommend it to others, and why?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend smart interviews, because the course is well structured. They take us from all the levels, like from the brute force solution to the optimized solution. It helps
Mhm.
us build our thinking, and it helps us not only about the technical aspects, it also helps us in our personal growth, because the
Mhm.
instructors are very strict, and because they will be like, we are supposed to be disciplined. So with that consistent learning, we will improve ourselves both technically and personally.
So yeah, that's all from my side, Somana, and all the best for your future endeavors. And thank you for doing this, and thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.